Welcome back to another Haitian Creole lesson with Stevenson. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Any suggestions are all welcome. And if you have any questions, please feel free to use that email below so you can ask your questions or provide any suggestions that you may have. Let's go ahead and start today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about directions. Okay? Direction. Direction. Go straight. Aller tout droit. Aller tout droit. Aller tout droit. Turn left. Virer à gauche. Virer à gauche. Virer à gauche. Turn right. Virer à droite. Virer à droite. Virer à droite. Go past. Aller passer. Aller passer. Aller passer. Cross. Traverser. 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 Intersection. Carrefour. 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 Between. Nan mi-tan. Nan mi-tan. Nan mi-tan. Behind. Derrière. 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 Turn back. Virer tourner. Virer tourner. Virer tourner. Go up. Monter. 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 In front of. Devant. 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 Beside. Bon côté. Bon côté. Bon côté. Near. Tout près. Tout près. Tout près. Far. Loin. 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 Corner. Coin. 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 Bridge. Pont. 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 Route. Wood. 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 This concludes today's lesson. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel. Click below. We'll really appreciate it, and thank you for staying in with the Haitian Creole lessons.